Have you ever thought about how your colon might be quietly begging for help? That constant sluggishness, the bloating after meals, or those surprise bouts of gas and fatigue, it's easy to shrug them off. But these aren't just everyday discomforts. They're often your body's desperate way of telling you something's not quite right. Imagine your digestive system as a freeway. When it's smooth, everything flows. But when traffic piles up, you're stuck in a jam that can derail your whole day. That's exactly what a clogged colon feels like. Internal gridlock. And yet, most people go years ignoring the signs, never realizing how much their colon affects not just digestion, but mood, energy, and even long-term health. But what if there were a sweet, juicy, and completely natural way to keep your colon running like clockwork? Today, we're diving into something that should be taught in every health class: 8 powerhouse fruits that help cleanse and nourish your colon without the need for pricey detox kits or complicated diets. You've probably eaten most of them without even realizing how much good they're doing inside you. But when added purposefully to your diet, that's when the magic happens. So before we explore this fruity lineup, do me a favor, tap that like button and subscribe. We're all about helping you live healthier with practical, feel-good tips. And trust me, this isn't just another eat more fiber lecture. This is real-world advice your colon will thank you for. Let's kick things off with a classic you probably have sitting on your kitchen counter right now: the apple. An apple a day? It's not just an old saying, it's pretty solid advice. Apples are packed with dietary fiber, specifically a type called pectin. This isn't just any fiber, it's a superstar. Pectin isn't digested in the stomach or small intestine. It makes its way all the way to the colon, where it becomes food for your good gut bacteria. And when those bacteria are fed well, they produce a short-chain fatty acid called butyrate, which does wonders for colon health. Butyrate calms inflammation and serves as fuel for the cells that line your colon. Think of it as a repair crew, patching up damage and keeping everything running smoothly. One medium apple delivers around 4.5 grams of fiber. Add one to your day, and you're already doing more for your gut than most people do all week. Now picture a ripe banana, golden and slightly speckled, soft, sweet, and often overlooked for anything more than a quick snack. But bananas are gut gold. For starters, they're packed with fiber, about 3 grams per medium banana, which helps sweep waste smoothly through your digestive tract. But there's more going on under that yellow peel. Bananas are rich in potassium, a mineral that not only helps regulate fluids and muscle contractions, but also supports colon health by reducing inflammation and keeping your digestive system calm and balanced. In fact, some research has even linked high potassium diets with lower risk of ulcers and better bowel regularity. Ever notice how a banana seems to settle your stomach? That's not your imagination, it's science. And then, we head into the berry patch, nature's little digestive superheroes. Blueberries, raspberries, strawberries. They're small, yes, but they're mighty. Raspberries, for instance, are off the charts when it comes to fiber. 8 grams in just 1 cup. That's more than most people get in an entire meal. Blueberries and strawberries clock in around 3 grams per cup, but they bring something else to the table: antioxidants. These colorful compounds fight off inflammation and cell damage, 2 key contributors to colon issues, including colon cancer. Anthocyanins, found in blueberries, and quercetin, found in strawberries, don't just make your fruit bowl beautiful, they help clean your gut from the inside out, one cell at a time. Switching gears, let's talk about citrus, the bright, juicy family that includes oranges, grapefruits, lemons, and limes. While most of us reach for citrus fruits when we're trying to avoid a cold, we should really be thinking about them when our digestion's off. One orange gives you around 3 grams of fiber, but the real kicker is the vitamin C. This antioxidant powerhouse doesn't just boost your immune system. It also plays a role in collagen production, helping repair the lining of your colon. When your digestive tract is inflamed or irritated, vitamin C can step in and soothe the damage, acting like a little spa treatment for your insides. Plus, that tangy flavor, it wakes up your metabolism and encourages hydration. 2 more reasons citrus deserves a daily spot in your diet. Now imagine peeling back the coral orange skin of a ripe papaya. This tropical gem isn't just a poolside snack, it's a serious digestive aid. Inside you'll find papain, a powerful enzyme that breaks down proteins and helps ease the burden on your gut. When proteins linger too long in the digestive tract, they can ferment and cause gas, bloating, or worse. Papaya helps prevent all that, but that's not all. Papayas also provide a healthy dose of fiber and antioxidants like lycopene and vitamin C, which help protect and cleanse your colon. 1 cup of papaya provides around 2.5 grams of fiber and a tropical flavor that's hard to beat. Think of papaya as the gentle helper your colon didn't know it needed. And speaking of soft textures and bold nutrients, let's take a moment to appreciate the avocado. Yes, it's trendy. Yes, it's Instagram-famous. But avocado is also one of the most colon-loving fruits out there. For one thing, it's fiber-rich. A whole avocado can give you up to 10 grams. But beyond that, it's full of healthy monounsaturated fats that soothe inflammation and help your body absorb the nutrients it needs to stay strong. Studies have even shown that the natural fats and lipids in avocados can slow the growth of precancerous cells in the colon. So that morning avocado toast? It's not just a brunch cliché, it's a wellness ritual in disguise. Now let's talk about pineapples, those bright, spiky fruits that practically scream summer. Beneath their tough exterior lies a juicy treasure loaded with digestive benefits. One of the key players here is bromelain, a unique enzyme found almost exclusively in pineapples. Bromelain is a proteolytic enzyme, which means it helps break down proteins into simpler amino acids, making digestion smoother and more efficient. If your digestive system has been under pressure, whether from a heavy meal or just a sluggish routine, bromelain helps lighten the load. And it doesn't stop at digestion. Bromelain also boasts powerful anti-inflammatory properties. According to studies, it's been used to ease symptoms of inflammatory bowel conditions like ulcerative colitis. Imagine eating a pineapple slice and knowing that it's gently calming your gut from the inside out. Add to that a healthy dose of fiber, vitamin C, and water content, and you've got a triple threat working to hydrate, cleanse, and soothe your colon, all in one refreshing bite. And finally, the unsung hero of gut health, the kiwi. Small, fuzzy, and often overshadowed by more glamorous fruits, kiwi is a digestive dynamo in disguise. One of the most unique things about kiwis is an enzyme called actinidin, which helps your body digest proteins more effectively. This matters because slow protein digestion can lead to fermentation and bloating, a combination that spells disaster for your colon. But with actinidin on your side, everything breaks down more efficiently, helping to keep your gut moving smoothly. On top of that, a single kiwi contains around 2 grams of fiber and is absolutely packed with vitamin C and antioxidants. It may be small, but don't underestimate its impact. Regular consumption of kiwi has been linked to improved bowel function, fewer episodes of constipation, and a general feeling of lightness, like your digestive system is running on clean energy. Now you might be thinking all this sounds great, but do I have to eat these fruits every day to see results? Not necessarily. The key is to be consistent. Rotate them into your meals. Add a sliced kiwi to your breakfast. Mix berries into your yogurt. Have an apple as your afternoon snack. And maybe throw some papaya into a smoothie. The idea isn't perfection, it's intention. A colon that's regularly supported by fiber, enzymes, and antioxidants will naturally stay cleaner, function better, and help you feel lighter, more energized, and less bogged down. But don't stop at just the food. Your colon's health is deeply connected to your overall lifestyle. Drinking plenty of water is non-negotiable. Fiber without hydration is like trying to flush a toilet without water. It just doesn't work. So as you boost your fiber intake with these fruits, be sure you're drinking enough water throughout the day. And move your body. Even simple walks can help stimulate your digestive system and prevent sluggishness. It's also worth remembering that your gut and your mood are closely linked. Ever heard the phrase, gut feeling? That's not just poetic. Your colon and your brain are constantly in conversation through what's called the gut-brain axis. A clogged or inflamed colon doesn't just make you feel physically uncomfortable. It can actually affect your mood, leading to irritability, anxiety, and even mild depression. When your colon is happy, you're more likely to be mentally balanced, alert, and resilient. That's the power of proper digestion. It lifts every part of your life. And let's be real, no one likes talking about bowel movements. But maybe it's time we normalize it. Colon health is foundational. It deserves as much attention as heart health or fitness. It's not about vanity, it's about vitality. So if adding a few delicious fruits to your daily routine can help you avoid constipation, reduce bloating, support your immune system, and potentially prevent disease, why wouldn't you? We've come a long way from that first apple to our final kiwi, and now you know the truth. These aren't just fruits, they're tools. Tools for taking care of your body, protecting your future, and living with more ease and energy. So the next time you take a bite of something sweet and juicy, smile, because now you know what it's doing for you behind the scenes. Before we wrap up, I want to hear from you. Which of these fruits is your favorite? How do you like to incorporate it into your meals? Let us know in the comments. We love hearing how our community takes action. And if this video gave you a new perspective on your health, please consider giving it a thumbs up and sharing it with someone who could benefit from a gentle nudge toward better digestion. Also, if you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. We've got more eye-opening health content coming your way, and you won't want to miss it. And if you're feeling extra generous, consider clicking that super thanks button below. It helps us keep the channel going strong so we can keep delivering valuable, actionable content straight to you. Thanks for watching. Stay well, stay informed, and as always, take care of yourself from the inside out. See you in the next one.